Welcome to Nyife. In this guide, you will learn how to create, schedule, start, and track a WhatsApp campaign using Nyife. Before creating a campaign, make sure you have access to the campaign module, a connected send or phone number, and a pre-approved WhatsApp template. You should also know which audience should receive the campaign. From the left navigation menu, open WhatsApp and click Campaign. The Campaigns page displays your existing campaigns, including their status, audience, reach, estimated cost, creation date, and available actions. To start a new campaign, click the Create Campaign button in the top right corner. Enter a clear campaign name so you can identify the campaign later. Add an optional description to explain the campaign's purpose. Select the connected WhatsApp phone number that will send the campaign. Select the pre-approved WhatsApp template that you want to send. Choose Send immediately when you want the campaign to start as soon as the setup is completed. Choose the scheduling option when you want the campaign to be sent on a specific date or time, such as a festival, promotion, reminder, or special event. You can cancel the setup, save the campaign as a draft, or click Start Now when everything is ready. Choose all contacts to send the campaign to the full available contact list. Choose specific contacts when you want to select individual recipients. Choose Contact Group to send the campaign to contacts stored in a selected group. Choose Contact Tags to target contacts that have specific tags. After choosing the audience type, complete any additional contact, group, or tag selection fields shown below. Before starting the campaign, review the WhatsApp preview carefully. Confirm that the template content, formatting, sender number, and buttons appear correctly. After confirming the campaign details, audience schedule, and preview, click Start Now to launch a campaign. Nyife will now begin processing and sending the campaign to the selected recipients. Open the campaign details page to monitor its status and delivery progress. You can review the total recipients, sent messages, reached contacts, processed messages, and the template preview. A running status means the campaign is still being processed. A completed status means campaign processing has finished. To export the campaign details, click Download CSV. The downloaded file can be used for campaign reporting, record keeping, or further analysis outside Nyife. If the required template is unavailable, confirm that it is approved. If the campaign should be sent later, use the scheduling option. Always recheck the selected audience before starting. To export campaign results, open the campaign details and click Download CSV. You have successfully completed the Nyife campaign creation process. Thank you for using Nyife.